Hello, I'm Craig Pettifor, and this is my CS50 final project. It's a Python program that searches for a keyword in text files. The user is prompted for a word to be used as the search term, then the available text files are displayed. The user is prompted to input the name of the desired text file to search through. The program then opens and reads through a text file line by line, updating its counter and printing the entire line and line number if the specified search term is present. Once the program has finished reading the text file, it will print out the total number of times the specified word appeared in the text. I also implemented a timer which initializes when the search begins and stops when reading has completed. The total number of lines read from the text file and the time it took for the program to search and print output is printed at the end. Inputting a single space will print out the entire text. My test_project.py program checks that the user inputs only a single word and that the user selected one of the text files displayed on screen.